Driving right into the heart of the matter, the Gigabyte B650e Aorus Master is a titan in the realm of high-end B650 motherboards. This beast of a motherboard is designed to push your Ryzen CPU to its limits without breaking a sweat. The B650e Aorus Master is a masterclass in heat dissipation, VRM design, and memory capacity, ensuring you get the best overclocking results. With a whopping 16+2+2 VRM design, rating at 105 amps, this motherboard is ready to handle anything you throw at it. The 8-layer 2x copper PCB design is a game-changer, providing significant benefits at crucial points, even though the Ryzen 5 7600X itself is not a big heat generator. The motherboard uses a dual 8-pin connector and a 24-pin ATX power connector to power the CPU. It also employs 7-watt MK thermal pads, an 8mm mega heat pipe, fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, and a nanocarbon aluminum backplate to keep the CPU cool during those intense overclocking sessions. It supports 4x DIMM DDR5 RAM, capable of handling up to 128 gigabytes. This means you can overclock your memory to a staggering 6600 plus megahertz with ease. It's also equipped with one PCIe 5.0x16 slot and two PCIe 4.0x16 slots for graphics support. Storage-wise, it offers 4 SATA rated at 6 GB per second and 4 M2 Gen 5x4 sockets. And let's not forget the plethora of USB ports, including one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1, and 4 USB 2.0 1.1 ports. Aesthetically, the Gigabyte B650e Aorus Master is a stunner. Its sleek black design with grayish accents and the Aorus branding on the heatsink gives it a sophisticated look that's sure to turn heads. The DDR5 Gen 5 support is a standout feature, putting it at the forefront of motherboard technology. Its wide range of USBs, M2 slots, and excellent connectivity options are also worth noting. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The absence of USB 3.2 Gen 2 rated 20 gigabytes per second and only 4 SATA ports might be a letdown for some. Additionally, the shared M2 PCIe slots could potentially limit your GPU speed. In conclusion, the Gigabyte B650e Aorus Master is a stellar choice for the Ryzen 7000 series. Its VRM, memory capacity, and heat dissipation features make it one of the most feature-packed B650 motherboards, but remember, every rose has its thorns, and in this case, it's the limited GPU speed and lack of certain USB and SATA ports. Despite these minor setbacks, it's still a top contender in the high-end motherboard arena. To sum up, what I like is the impressive VRM and thermal management, the excellent build quality and overall value, power stages rated at 105 amps, the user-friendly BIOS easy mode, it's equipped with 4 PCIe 5.0 M2 slots, it boasts 13 USB ports on the rear I/O, and it supports DDR5 PCIe Gen 5. On the downside, it's limited to just 4 SATA ports, M2 sockets overlap with PCIe slot, it lacks the high-speed USB port 3.2 Gen 2 20 gigabytes per second, and the price point aligns with X670E territory. So what do you think? Is this the best motherboard for you, or do you think another board is better? Check another video where we reviewed the top 3 motherboards for Ryzen 5 7600X and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.